Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I brought a new topic that's useful for grade 7 students using consistent tense. Let's start. Learning goals. In this class, you will understand how to apply consistent verb tenses within sentences. You will be able to recognize and distinguish between past, present, and future verb tenses and create sentences using consistent verb tenses. What are verbs? Verbs are the action words that tell us what's happening in a sentence. Actions can happen in different times, and that's where verb tenses come in. What do you understand by the verb tenses? Verb tenses are categorized in three main branches. The first one is past, second is present, and third one is future. Understanding verb tenses. In past tense, what do we do? This is used to talk about things that happened before now. For example, she swam in the pool yesterday. Present tense is used to talk about the things that is happening right now or regularly. For example, she draws after school every day. Future tense is used to talk about the things that will happen in the future. For example, she will take a nap tomorrow. Let's look at some examples. See how tenses change the verb. Sing based on whether the action happened in the past, is happening now, in the present, or will happen in the future. Past, it will be sang, present, sing, and future will sing. Think, in present, in past, it will become thought, and in future, it will become will think. In present, kick, and in the past, it will be converted into kicked, and in the future, it will be converted into will kick. Consistency is the key. Consistent use of verb tenses. To make your writing clear and easy to understand, it's important to use the same verb tense throughout your work. Let's see how. Shifting tenses on occasion. In some cases, it may be necessary to shift tenses to indicate a shift in time or to discuss a related event. However, you must be careful to do this purposefully and ensure that the shift makes sense and does not create confusion. When to use each of the verb tenses? In the past tense, when describing events that occurred in the past. For past tense, when describing events that occurred in the past, for example, historical events, we use past tenses. For general truths, we write in present tense, and the upcoming events are written in future tense. Let's look at an example of inconsistent use of tense. If you mix up verb tenses, it might sound a little strange. Let's see an example. Yesterday, I ran to the park and plays on the swings. Did you notice the mistake? Run and plays are both in the present tense. This can make the sentence confusing as the sentence is written about the events in the past. In the past, as yesterday was mentioned in the sentence. So those verbs should be in the past tense. To make it clear, we need to be consistent with our tenses. Let's see the fixed example below. Yesterday, I walked to the park and played on the swings. Now, both verbs are in the past tense as they should be. Using consistent verb groups. Sometimes we use more than one verb in a sentence. Like with helping verbs, is MR, was were, or continuous verbs is playing, was eating. When you use these verb groups, all the verbs need to match in tense. Using consistent verb groups. Let's look at An example: she is studying for her test and cooks dinner. Here is studying is present tense, but cooks is present tense too. To make it clear, we should use the consistent verb group. Cooks is different tense and is studying is a different tense. Both are present, but they are uh, different categories of present tense. She is studying for her test and cooking dinner. That's the correct form of sentence. So I hope, dear students, you must have understood that how we must be consistent in using different verb groups. So keep practicing because practice makes the man perfect. Thank you and keep watching my videos, and please subscribe to my channel and like my video if you think that you learned something. Goodbye.